This is a 2019 2LT torch red black interior Grand Sport Coupe. Hello everybody, once again I'm Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I have a beautiful 7th generation Grand Sport to show you today. This is a 2019 2LT torch red black interior Grand Sport Coupe. You can see got the classic fender hash marks. Yes, this car does have the Grand Sport Heritage package, and these of course are the classical fender hash marks. And in this style here on the C7, the way they did it, and these are in the carbon flash. On the front, you can see we have the carbon flash badge package, and we have a carbon flash stage 2 front splitter installed as well. And it is a 2LT, so we have the front curve view cameras on the grille as well. Coming to the wheels, the previous owner was concerned about the C7 wheels, so he got rid of them and changed them out to a beautiful set of forged Aerolarri wheels in the gloss black that you see here. And this car currently has a brand spanking new set of Pilot Sport All Season 4s. These, of course, are the newer model that are used on the C8, and yes, they are brand new. And as we make our way around, you can see we also got the ACS carbon flash painted mud guards as well, which go nicely with all the other carbon flash accenting, including the carbon flash shorty side skirt, otherwise known as a stage 1 side skirt. And then we also have the carbon flash mirrors as well. And the fun doesn't end there, because we open the door, look at that. We got a projection. How about that? So yes, the owner did custom do that. And there's more custom to come, so we'll make our way to it. Each of the inlets here to open the door have this little carbon fiber piece. This is aftermarket. It's fairly common, and it prevents scratching of the paint. Of course, all Grand Sports come standard with the body color inlets up here, but we have our carbon flash wicker bill rear spoiler here with the stage 1 wickers installed. Or the carbon flash badging here as well. And the Grand Sports have the wide body with the red taillights instead of the clears like the Z06. And you can see our beautiful NPP multi-mode exhaust. You see these have been very well polished. The owner did take very good care of this car. All right, coming to the trunk, obviously all C7s have tons of cargo space, as you can see here. Got our storage cubby on the left with our cargo shade and net. And of course, for those that don't know, the battery is stored under here on the right-hand side of the cargo area. Then of course, being a 19, it will have the slow close feature. The windows are tinted. If that is an issue in your state, it can be removed. All right, coming to here, you can see we've got another side of the beautiful projection that goes to the floor. And again, it's a 2LT, so we got our Moulin jet black leather here with the light gray stitching, Bose premium 10-speaker sound, memory seats. We got our heads-up display. We have custom vent red accenting on all the vents here in the dash. And then when you get to the center area, you'll see the fender hash marks in the brushed aluminum there. That's part of the Heritage package. And then you'll see, of course, it is a automatic 8-speed. And then we got our standard GT seats here, heated ventilated with lumbar and side bolster controls. And also part of the Heritage package, you get the Grand Sport premium floor mats. All right, coming to our engine bay. Like the previous owner of this car took very well care of this. He's got custom valve covers here on the engine with the OEM center still. And then we've got accenting throughout the engine bay, like you see. And then he had this custom painted by an artist. You can see you've got a Grand Sport doing a nasty burnout here with flaming pipes coming out. It's very artistic, but very cool. And again, he was nice enough to leave that in here for us so the next owner can enjoy. This car is already ready for a car show. This 2019 Grand Sport has 22,000 miles. We got it priced at $61,995. So again, the rehash 2LT Grand Sport Coupe Heritage package, All the custom cosmetic ads that you see, beautiful forged Aerolarri wheels, brand spanking new Michelin Pilot Sport season tires all the way around. Absolutely fabulous. And again, 2019, last year for the C7, thus last year for the C7 Grand Sport. If you're interested in this beautiful Corvette or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info in the corner and down in the description below. Also, my finance department has told me that all tire wheel extended protection packages, as well as any extended warranties, as these are all falling out of factory warranty now, are now for the rest of the year half off. So now's the time. You can buy the car, buy an extended warranty, you're covered for the long haul. Excellent options for us here at Corvette World. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave a comment below and a thumbs up. Tell me about this Corvette, what you think about it. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.